Alright guys, we're doing the drive-by video today in the Corvette just because the one guy's still sitting there, leaving early because there's nothing really to do. As you can see here, there's a whole bunch of little floored grating right here, which we're gonna have to unscrew. Where's my finger? I have to unscrew these and take some of these up. We're gonna be mounting bollard lights all across this whole walkway here. So it's probably like half a mile of bollard lighting to install across here. Now there's a guy behind me. So anyways, gonna be installing 62 lights across here, all up and down this whole walkway right here, up and down this whole walkway right here. So it goes for a really long time all the way down here. I'll show you how far it goes. Try not to hit these speed bumps too hard, but yeah, I'm driving this whole thing right now. It takes a really long time to walk it. Everything is already piped, and so luckily all we have to do is add some flex and then take out the grates like I said, and then put in the mounting plates and then pull the wire. So I think they said they want it done by next week, but that's probably not realistic. Here is the end of the walkway right here at the sign. So this is the end of the walkway here where the first light's gonna start. But other than that, it's pretty much, that's pretty much it. So we literally did nothing today. So like I said, really didn't do anything today. Just took out some of the lights. We got some of the lights delivered, so we put those in the Connex box. But other than that, literally just sat around and did nothing. So we were waiting for some news from the we were waiting for some information from the people making the decisions around here of where exactly they want the lights, like if the light fell on a crack or whatnot. I think these lights are supposed to be every 30 feet apart, and I think they said 62 of them, so however that much is 100. That's way too. I'm trying to do the math here, but it's not working. It's probably like 1,800 feet or something like that, if that sounds right. So anyways, 30 feet apart, 62 lights. Do the math on that. I can't do it off the top of my head, but it sounds like 1,800 possibly. So it's a really long distance. So yeah, anyways, got basically 4 hours of doing nothing today, so that was pretty sweet. Walked over, got some food from a restaurant. I don't know if that was counted towards a break or whatnot, or if that was paid, but anyways, literally did nothing all day, so it doesn't really matter. So good times, and it was raining on and off yesterday. Sorry, I have to shift here. So anyways, like you can see here, it's raining, so basically just sat in the Connex most of the day, so we didn't get rained on that much at all. And yesterday it was raining on and off a little bit while I was working outside, so that wasn't too bad either. And I did want to say yesterday we wore life jackets while we were working on the dock, which is a first for me, wearing a life jacket while working. Just because if we fell in the water or whatnot, just to be safe. Obviously people can swim, but anyways, yeah, wore life jackets yesterday and then working in the rain, and then I think it's gonna be raining on Monday and Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday it's gonna be like 75, 82 degrees, so it's gonna be really nice outside on next week. So yeah, I'll be working there next week, all next week, so that'll be interesting. It seems pretty straightforward. The grates are probably pretty heavy to lift out. They're just held on by like 12 screws. So I just have to take the screws out, run the flex up to the light, drill the grate out where the light's gonna be, and then mount the flex, strap the flex, and then put the grate back in, and then pull the wire later, and then wire nut it, put the bollard on, and that's gonna be it. So it's pretty straightforward. It's just some of these spots are gonna be pretty annoying to get into, just because it's basically on the side of this marina, so it's like really like bouldery and stuff like that. So Yeah, anyways, other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm trying to figure out if I should drive home or wait for my friend to get home, because my friend just lives right up the street. So anyways, good times. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm driving like 20 miles an hour, so don't get too worried here. I'm just gonna pull over here and make a decision here, say my outro. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. But that's pretty much gonna do it. Check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks for tuning in and staying on this journey with me, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day and an awesome weekend, because it's Friday. Now I'm working Fridays again, but I'm just super happy to be working in Washington and working 8 hours a day. So that should do it, guys. God bless. Peace out. All right, guys, one last thing I did want to say. We did reorganize the Connex box a little bit. So not 100% sitting around all day. So did throw out the cardboard from yesterday's lights. And then, like I said, taken the delivery of the new lights, the bollard lights. And then we did, me and my new coworker, there's a new journeyman. So basically I took a call, and then the guy that I'm working with took the second call, because there was 2 spots available to work for this company that I'm at. So it was his first day and it was my second day. So we walked over and tested out my lights that I hung yesterday with the apprentice, that material handler. So went over to the dock. There was a switch that went, it was handoff auto. So turned it off from auto mode and turned it on, and then walked the dock, and they all turned on, so that was cool. So all 12 lights were burning. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to give you guys a little bit more information on the day. It was a really good day. Pretty much, like I said, did nothing. So it was cool. Yeah, and then back at it on Monday. Hopefully we're just waiting on supplies and then information, and then we'll be good to go. And I think they might try to send out some more apprentices on Monday just so we don't have to walk back and forth, because if you saw yesterday's video, it's pretty far. It's probably like quarter mile each time you want to walk to get something out of the Connex box or anything like that. So a lot of walking. Like I said, yesterday was 5.2 miles, and I didn't check what today was. Didn't walk that much, but yeah, that should do it, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out. I'm probably gonna release it tomorrow, try to set it up on auto release for tomorrow. But I'll have to double check the video and make sure everything's good to go before I set that up. So anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out. Alright guys, so let's do a little demonstration. I know I'm not an electrician or anything like that. I just watched one of his videos for the first time last night. It was actually amazing. So anyways, shout out to him. I don't know him, but anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a little drawing of what exactly is going down. So here, let's just say here is the walkway that I'm working on. And then you have your grates in between here. Each one is screwed in by 12 screws like such. That might be 12, that might not be. So anyways, you got your walkway right there, and I'm not gonna draw the crisscross between there. But anyways, we're gonna drill a hole probably centrally or hopefully close to the edge over here. So I'm not sure where that's gonna be yet, because we're gonna have to take out the grate next to it to work under this section right here. So hopefully it's going to be closer to the edge so we can get the wire in there easy and strap it and all that good stuff. But anyways, there's going to be a hole over here that we're going to have to drill out between one of the crosses. So where the grate is going like this, we're going to have to drill on one of the cross pieces to get our, I think it's some 1 7/8 or 2-inch hole for the flex to come up through. And then let's say a side view picture right here. So this is looking down on it, and this is going to be looking sideways. So here's your grate right here, and then you have your beams for the support of that. So gonna have to, and then here is the pipe running on the back side of the fence, sort of like this. Not a fence, but a hand railing. So anyways, the pipe is on the back, and it has a little conduit right here, which we're gonna be flexing out of, and then probably gonna have to flex underneath or on the bottom of the beams. And then once you have your hole right here, we're gonna flex up there and then have to strap it here with like Mineralax or 1-hole straps, and this all has to be in stainless. And then your light's gonna have your base right there, and then your bollard up here with your light right here, something like that. So got your light in there with your bollard. So it's gonna look like that. So hopefully that kind of helped you out with an explanation. That was probably a terrible explanation, but it was my first one, so cut me a break. So anyways, I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. This is my first whiteboard drawing, so only things better to come. So all right, guys, have a great rest of the day. Peace out.